So now in this latest project that you guys are working on, how have you gone about I don't know, kind of capturing voice of the customer and that sort of thing?
Sure. So when this new program started, one of the things that we wanted to do is figure out, is there a way that we can use these lean tools as we actually develop the program, as we develop the policy?
Instead of waiting for it to be developed.
Exactly, exactly. We wanted to try to fix any issues before they actually came about. So we held one of those events. It was called a Design Lean event, where we really used some of the lean tools and got a lot of input from the various users and stakeholders to really understand what their particular issues and
So
perspectives
you literally
were.
like speak with doctors and
We had different stakeholders. We had doctors, we had vendors, we had, patients
Really?
come in. We've talked
Wow.
to everybody. They've really appreciated being involved early on in the process instead of waiting 2 years.
so they
Then-
told you everything they didn't like and struggled with.
Yep, from the old program, what they didn't like, what they would like to see in the new program. And we've used that in a lot of our designs.
Wow, that's pretty powerful.
So
But they were appreciative of that.
we've also gone on the road. We've gone into their offices. We see how they use the systems today and what issues they have with the systems and how many clicks it takes to do something. And we reduce that in the design for the new system.
So you guys, are you constantly kind of trying to make it better? Like,
We are. So as Stan mentioned, so it kind of started with the design lean we held, but since then we have gone out on the road to really try to engage with as many users as we can, whether it's going to their actual practices, working with their societies, talking directly to their patients. So we're viewing this as really trying to have the user focused in mind, hopefully through the life of the project.
so for you two personally, like, what do you hope to accomplish, let's say, over the next year, leveraging lean? Like, what are your goals? Do you have like some thoughts on like what you want to do next? Like,
We really want to, from the IT side, we really want to go agile development. We want shorter times between when we do our requirements to when we go to production. We want that user input. So we want to design something, we want the users to come in, we want them to sign in, we want them to use it and change it on the fly. Maybe not on the fly, but within a couple weeks, let them see it again. So a lot of user testing, a lot of interfacing with the users, with the systems.
And I would agree with everything that Stan has said. And then also on the policy side, we want to continue to engage with the users to understand their perspectives, to make sure that the policies that we are proposing, that they are meaningful and resonate with the users.
And we also want to make sure the system ties to the policies, right? So if we're doing, shorter development times, really looking at things, and we'll make sure everybody's in sync from the
so I guess
business
it's really
side.
important for you guys to be constantly
Absolutely.
communicating.
Yes.
Yep.